Carefully open your bike box by cutting the straps right side up. Remove your bike and place it carefully on the side of the box so it doesn't fall. Open your accessory box and remove its contents. Remove the protective packaging from your bike frame, components, and wheels. Place the stem inside the head tube and adjust your handlebars with the Allen key provided. Once you have adjusted your handlebars to your riding style, retighten with the Allen key. Now place the cosmetic cap over the stem bolt. Lift up your bike and let's put on the front wheel. Place the safety lock spacer tabs on the front of the wheel as shown. Then screw the axle nuts on. Take the wrench provided in your toolkit and make sure the nuts are securely tightened on both sides. Make sure your tire is dead center of your fork. Take the seat and place in the seat tube. Then tighten the quick release to make sure your seat is secure at your riding height. Next are the pedals marked with an L for left and an R for right. Hand twist your pedals onto the crank to get them started. Then use your pedal wrench to tighten securely. Next, let's get your reflectors on. Start with the wheel reflectors, which snap into place easily. Then secure your front reflector onto your handlebars. Put your rear reflector on the seat tube, now tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Voila! Now it's time to get out and just ride.